Here, I'll explain you all the exercises in a brief way. And if any tough problem is there, I'll write on the board and I'll explain. For all other simple problems, you just go through the description. There you will be finding the answers very clearly. So now, in exercise 1, the first question. Some integers marked on the number line, which is the biggest and which is the smallest. So in this question, number line is there. I'm not writing all the numbers. I'm just writing what he has marked. So in the number line, he has mentioned so many numbers and he has marked these two numbers. So we have to find which is the biggest and which is the smallest. So in these two numbers, what is the bigger number? What is the smaller number? As usual, towards the right side of 0, we are having positive numbers. Towards the left side of 0, we are having negative numbers. Here, 2 is positive and minus 3 is negative. Always, positive number is bigger when compared with a negative number. So here, 2 is the biggest number and minus 3 is the smallest number. That is the solution for that. The second question, write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Also, choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. So, in this question, he has given some integers to us and we have to write the integers between the given integers. And we have to find the biggest and smallest. So, let us see the first example in second question. Minus 5, minus 10. He has given minus 5 and minus 10. So, we have to write the integers between minus 5 and minus 10. So, I am writing minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10. So, you have to read the question carefully while doing problems. Here, he mentioned we have to write the integers between the pairs of given integers. Means, we should not write minus 5, we should not write minus 10. Because these two are given. So, we have to consider the numbers between minus 5 and minus 10 only. But we should not include minus 5 and minus 10. So, choose the biggest and smallest integers from them. So, here minus 6 is the biggest and minus 9 is the smallest. Why we are writing minus 6 is biggest and minus 9 is smallest? Even though 6 is smaller than 9, we are having negative sign before that. This already we learned and we discussed while learning about number line. So, if we are having a minus sign before a number, if the number is smaller, then the value of that number is bigger when compared with the bigger number. So, in the same way, the second example you can perform. 3 minus 2, minus 8 and 5. 3 minus 2 means 2, 1, 0, minus 1 are the numbers we are having between 3 and minus 2. So, amongst them, you can find the biggest and smallest very easily. In the same way, the third example also, you can execute, and if you are having any doubts, you go through the description once. And the third question, write the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest, that already we know. In this problem, he has given some integers and we have to write these integers in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. So, what is the smallest number here among these four? Minus 8 is the smallest number. The next smallest is minus 5. The next smallest is 1 and the biggest is 2. Like this, you have to write. The second bit in the third question is minus 4, minus 3, minus 5, minus 2. So, for this also, you have to write these four numbers in ascending order. So, the answer is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, 2. The third bit, minus 10, minus 15, minus 7. Ascending order means minus 15, minus 10 and minus 7. So the fourth question, write the following integers in descending order. Descending order means from the biggest to smallest, just opposite to the third question. In the third question, we wrote from the smallest to biggest, that is called ascending order. Descending order means from the biggest to smallest. First you have to write the biggest number, then the next biggest number. Ultimately, in the last, we need to write the smallest number. Let us check with first example. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. So, here we are having all negative integers. So, the smallest number is the biggest number. So, minus 2, minus 3, minus 5 is the descending order. The next example, minus 8, minus 2, minus 1. So, here descending order is minus 1, minus 2 and minus 8. And the third bit is 5, 8, minus 2. The descending order is 8, 5, minus 2. So, moving to the next question. Represent 6, minus 4, 0 and 4 on a number line. So, he has given some numbers and we have to represent those numbers on number line. What numbers he has given? 6, minus 4, 0 and 4. So, 0 will divide the number line into two parts. One is positive side, another is negative side. Right side is positive, left side is negative. You should not write this left and right plus and minus. For the explanation purpose, I am writing this thing. So, let us see. Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one is minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. The next one is 0. Already we mentioned. The next one is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, for explanation purpose, I wrote all the numbers. What is the question given here? Represent 6, minus 4, 0 and 4. You have to represent these four numbers on the number line. So, this is the solution. We just have to represent the given numbers on the number line. By writing this right, positive, left, negative is also an added advantage to this solution. Because you are writing this thing by knowing what is the positive side, what is the negative side. So, the next problem, the sixth one. Fill the missing integers on the number line given below. So, he has given a number line and he mentioned some integers there and we have to write the missing integers. Here, he has given minus 9, minus 5, 0, 4, 8 and in between minus 9 and minus 5, he has given 3 dots, means 3 missing numbers. What are those missing numbers? Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. And in between minus 5 and 0, we are having 4 dots, 4 missing numbers. Those are minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. And between 0 and 4, we are having 3 missing numbers, 1, 2, 3. And between 4 and 8, we are having another 3 missing numbers, 5, 6, 7. And after 8, we are having 1 missing number, that is 9. This is according to the number line given in the problem. So, next 7th question. The temperatures in degrees Celsius or centigrade of 5 cities in India on a particular day are shown on the number line below. So, he has given a number line and now he is not representing any numbers. He just changed the language, changed the words that he has given the temperatures of 5 cities on a particular day. So, he has given temperatures of 5 cities on a given particular day. So, what is the question? Write the temperatures of the cities marked on it. So, he has given temperatures and he has given the city names. So, the first bit is you have to write the temperatures of the cities marked on it. So, here he has given Kasuli, Manali, Nainital, Ooty, Bangalore, and he has given temperatures minus 10 degrees, minus 5 degrees, 15 degrees, 20 degrees. So, what is the first question? Write the temperatures of the cities marked on it. So, you have to write Kasuli, minus 10 degrees centigrade, Nainital minus 5 degrees centigrade, Ooty 15 degrees centigrade, Bangalore 20 degrees centigrade. And he has given Manali and he didn't mention the temperature of Manali on that particular day. So he has represented with dots between minus 5 and minus 10. So we have to calculate 1, 2, 3. So the first question is, write the temperatures of the cities marked on it. So here we have to write the temperatures in which city how much temperature is there. So Kasuli is there and it is marked between minus 5 and minus 10. Just one step towards right to minus 10. That's why Kasuli's temperature is minus 9. Next, Manali is 3 steps towards right from minus 10. So Manali's temperature is minus 7. Next, Nainital. Nainital is between minus 5 and 0. 2 steps towards right to minus 5. That's why the temperature in Nainital is minus 3. And Ooty is at 15 degrees centigrade. Bangalore is at 20 degrees centigrade. This I will explain you. So, he has splitted each thing into 5 parts. 0, 5, 10, 15 from negative side and 0, 5, 10, 15, 20 towards positive side. Here, minus 10 is here. He mentioned Kasuli here. Means, one step towards right. One step towards right means, we have to add 1 to this number. So, you will be getting minus 9. So, Kasuli's temperature is minus 9 degrees centigrade. Manali. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps towards right means you have to add 4 to minus 10. So, it is minus 6. Manali's temperature is minus 6 degrees. And what about Nainital? We'll start from 0. 4 steps towards back, towards left. Or otherwise, we can start from minus 5, 1 step towards right. Both we will be getting same answer. Take minus 5, 1 step towards right, you will be getting minus 4 degrees. This is Nainital temperature. If you take this thing, 0, moving 4 steps towards left, means we have to subtract 4 from that. Here also you will be getting the same answer. And here at 15 degrees is given Ooty and at 20 degrees he has given Bangalore. So Bangalore temperature is 20 degrees, Ooty's temperature is 15 degrees. Go through this once, and if you are having any doubts, go through the description given in the video. The next one, the second bit in this 7th question is, which city has the highest temperature? So, Kasuli is minus 9 degrees centigrade, Manali is minus 6 degrees centigrade, Nainital is minus 4 degrees centigrade, Ooty is 15 degrees centigrade, Bangalore is 20 degrees centigrade. So, you just forget about this degree centigrade, means that is the way of measuring temperatures. You just see the numbers, minus 9, minus 6, minus 4, 15, 20. So, which city has the highest temperature means, which is the biggest number amongst these? 20 is the biggest number. So, Bangalore city is having the highest temperature of 20 degrees. Which city has the lowest temperature? Kasuli is having the lowest temperature with minus 9 degrees centigrade. And which cities have temperatures less than 0 degrees? Less than 0 means negative numbers. What are the cities we are having with negative temperatures? Nainital, Manali and Kasuli. All these three we are having negative temperatures, minus 4, minus 6 and minus 9. All these negative numbers are less than 0. That's why which cities have temperature less than 0 means you have to write Nainital, Manali and Kasuli. Name the cities with temperature more than 0. More than 0 means positive. What are the cities we are having on positive side? Ooty and Bangalore. We have to write the names Ooty and Bangalore for that bit. So with this, we finished exercise 1 and we are moving to next exercise.